Go back, I want to be monkey!
Do you not do that noise anymore, or?
I do, but the subathon just kind of destroyed my voice, so...
Guys, I don't know about you, but I don't know if she's really a monkey. She doesn't go...
Can you do it for me?
Hi, Koko.
More!
Is that good? More?
You gotta get the louder part at the end.
Oh. Like
there
that?
you go.
Yeah. I've never heard you do that part. I've only heard you go... And that's all you do.
Ahem.